guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. So you guys, today's video is going to be Jelly Bean's 18-month first haircut. We didn't cut his hair when he turned 1 because he really didn't have that much hair. So now that he's 18 months, we decided to cut his hair. We didn't want to give him a fade or use clippers, so me and my husband agreed on cutting his hair this way. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Hey you guys, this is what my son's hair looked like dried. It's been about 2 days since I've moisturized his hair because I wanted his hair to be dry, so when I picked it out, it wouldn't be shrunken. It will be fluffy, so I'm going to use a brush, rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb, some scissors, and some rubber bands. His hair did break off in the back from him rubbing his head on his car seat and on the floor. I did buy him like a little baby head rag, but he doesn't keep it on and he doesn't want it on. So, I mean, I guess he's a baby. It'll grow back, but I'm not planning on having his hair long anyway, so I just try to keep his hair moisturized. That's how I try to combat the baldness. Every morning I just wake up and highly moisturize his hair. That's why it hasn't went bald, but it has broken off. But for me cutting his hair, I'm just going to moisturize his hair. I'm going to use the wide tooth comb to gently comb out his curls. You guys, this is the first time that I've actually combed his hair. That's why he's looking like that, like looking up like, Mom, what are you doing? Because I never put a comb through his hair, but since I'm going to be cutting his hair, I wanted to comb out his hair thoroughly and get all of his curls into a ponytail, but I decided to do 4 ponytails. I believe I should have did 5, especially that thick patch in the middle. I should have did 5 because I cut his hair a little bit too low, but it'll grow back. It's already growing back now, but I just wanted to have his cute little first haircut and to keep his hair. That's why I used the rubber bands to make little ponytails to keep his hair. And as you guys can see, I am completely struggling with putting this ponytail in his hair. And it's like, I'm so happy I don't have little girls. Like I tell you guys before, it is so difficult for me to do certain things with my hair. And as you guys can see, it is difficult for me to turn it around and try to successfully do it on somebody else's hair. So it took me a little bit to figure out how to put this one little ponytail in his hair, but I finally got the hang of it, and I put 4 ponytails in his hair like I said before, and then I just went snip snip snip. So you guys, this is a very simple it's not even a tutorial. This is just me really wanting to document his first haircut, and he did really well. Like, I was quite surprised. I did have little toys for him to play with, but he did really, really well. So you guys just enjoy this video. When you see me styling his hair at the end, it still looks wet, but that's the way that his hair dries. It dries wet looking, so that will be the end result. And you guys just listen to some music and enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching.